Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we are addressing a common issue with the Thermomix TM5 where the screen remains completely black. This can occur due to a variety of reasons, such as a faulty display, a loose connection, or a power issue. If left unattended, this problem can lead to further complications, ultimately resulting in a more costly repair or even a complete device failure. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools, a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement screen if necessary. Ensure you work in a clean, well-lit area for the best results. First, we will begin by safely opening the Thermomix TM5. Start by unplugging the device to avoid any electrical hazards. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the device. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry the back cover off. Be cautious as there are delicate components inside. Now that the device is open, we need to locate the faulty component. The issue often lies with the display connector. Carefully inspect the connection between the screen and the mainboard. If it appears loose or disconnected, this could be the cause of the black screen. To extract the connector, gently pull it away from the mainboard. If the connector is damaged, you will need to replace it with a new screen. To do this, carefully detach the screen from its mounting. Be mindful of any cables that may be attached, disconnect them gently to avoid damage. Once the old screen is removed, take your new screen and connect it to the mainboard, ensuring it is secure. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the screen, carefully reattach any cables and ensure everything is securely connected. Now, close the device by aligning the back cover, pressing it down gently, and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, plug the Thermomix TM5 back in and turn it on to check if the screen functions correctly. If all goes well, you should see the display come to life. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that you handle your device with care, avoid exposure to moisture, and regularly check the connections if you notice any irregularities. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.